Hello everyone, this is Max and welcome back to another tutorial. This week is just gonna be very simple because I'm also moving houses, so things are a little bit chaotic right now, but I still really want to make this video for you guys. But yeah, today we're gonna learn together how to download and import the DaVinci Resolve's free sound library. Some of you guys might have your own sound library that you maybe congregated from over the years, downloading sound effects or recording yourself, and you made your own sound library. So we are also gonna learn how to import our own personalized sound library into DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so when you come into the DaVinci Resolve interface, I feel that most of you will probably see something like this. So do not fret, we just gotta go to the top left and click on the sound library tab. So I've made a video before, the basic introduction of the edit page UI interface, so you can check that out if you haven't. But basically you will understand everything, like what all this means and all this stuff, all the windows. All right, so because we don't have any sound library right now yet, this is what we will see at the left. So it says download DaVinci Resolve's free sound library. Let's do it. And it will take us to the official web page where we can download. So anyone can download this. Just key in your details. Alright, so once you've keyed in all your details, press next. And yeah, we're gonna read through everything. Remember to check I have read and agreed the terms and license agreement, and register and download. Alright, so now my download is downloading automatically. It's pretty fast. Voila, it's done. Let's open the file and let's install it. Alright, okay, welcome to the Fairlight Sound Library Setup Wizard. Let's click next, and you can choose where you want your sound library to be installed. If you have an SSD you use, then you can install it there. It's okay. In this case, I will leave it in the original space. Remember to read through. Actually, nobody does that, and just click I accept the license. Then let's click next. So if you have a antivirus, just let it know that this is okay. Trust the program and the installation. And installation finished. 100. Next, and let's click finish. Okay, and now it's installed completely and imported. Now let's try to search a sound effect, paper. So now we see there's the paper sound effect, which we can preview and listen. Yeah, and let's say that if I just want this part of the sound, I can press I for the input and O for the output. And what I do is drag in the sound effect into my timeline. If you are in your earphones, you probably can hear that this sound is only coming out from one ear. So do check out my tutorial on mono, stereo soundtracks and how to fix this issue of your sound effects only coming out in one ear. Alright, so another thing, so this is actually the edit page. So this is how you access the sound library, by pressing the tab on top. There is a Fairlight tab at the bottom over here, which is dedicated for sound. You could also access your sound library over here. Let's type it again. Same thing, and let me just drag it in, and voila, it's inside. So now, what if you actually have your own collection of sound already? What we can do is same thing as we just did now. Come to these three dots and click and find where you put your sound library. Okay, so in this case, I have downloaded some sounds from Soundly, I believe, which is another platform that you can download sound, and it's over here, Soundly Audio. So I'm just gonna select the folder, and then it has imported successfully. Perfect. Okay, so now let's test out if the file from the Soundly Audio sound library that I made can be searched in the DaVinci Resolve. Alright, let's see, aircraft, interior, airplane. Okay, maybe let's just search up this thing. Yeah, voila, here it is. Perfect. So this is amazing because you can access all your sounds over here and reuse it in every project that you're using. But do remember that the sound library folder, don't change its location, because if not, you won't be able, the software won't be able to find it, and you will have to relink it, which is okay as well. Voila, that's it. Hope you guys learned something and got to import your own sound library or the free DaVinci Resolve sound library into DaVinci Resolve. Now you can start with your sound design and play around with it. And if you did learn something, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends who also need this or might need this. I'll see you in the next one.